How to promote Zazzle affiliate products on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to our channel, Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to promote Zazzle affiliate products on Pinterest. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to Zazzle.com. And if you don't know this platform, Zazzle is an online marketplace and platform that allows users to create and customize a wide range of products, in which on Zazzle, users can upload their own designs, artwork, or photographs and apply them to various products such as clothing, accessories, home decor, electronics cases, stationery, and more, in which the platform offers a wide range of customization options, including the ability to add text, choose from different fonts and colors, and adjust the placement and size of the design. And once a product is created, it can be listed for sale on a Zazzle marketplace where customers can browse and purchase items. And aside from that, this platform handles the manufacturing, printing, and shipping of the products, relieving the users of the logistical aspects of selling merchandise. And in order to create an account on Zazzle, all you need to do is to click the sign in button on the top right corner. But you can sign in using your Facebook, Google account, or even your Apple ID. Or alternatively, enter your email address and your password. But in this video, I'm going to continue to log in using my Google account. So kindly click on it and you will be directed on this page, in which from here, you will see the same features such as product customization, extensive product catalog, design tools, and Zazzle Marketplace. And now what we need to do in order to promote the Zazzle affiliate products on Pinterest, just click your account options and proceed by clicking My Account, in which below here, it will show you the other options including My Profile, Order History, Address Book, and many more. And you can also create a product or create a store on the right side panel. But we're not going to focus on this section. And now, kindly proceed by clicking the Associate section, in which under the Associate Center, you can join the Zazzle Associates program and earn a percentage of sales when you share Zazzle products on your blog, website, or social media site, in which, as you can see here, they offer a 50% commissions on sale tracked back to your links. And aside from that, under the program details, you can also access to banners, link, building guides, and more. And now, in order to join or enroll the Associate program, just check these boxes. Yes, I wish to enroll the Associate program and agree to comply with Associate Program Agreement, and proceed by clicking Enroll Me button. And from here, it will show you your Associate ID, and the sample link to Zazzle store would look like with your ID, in which it says here that you can replace any store name with any of your own store that you want to promote. And now let's try to copy the sample link. Kindly select and copy this one and just paste it on the next tab. And on the URL section, you can also customize the any store name and change it to the Zazzle store that you want to promote. Let's say this one. So just copy the name of the store and paste it along with the URL. And after pasting it, just click Enter. And after that, we should be directed on their store, in which we will see some of the products that they offer. But if there's an error does not show the store that we enter on our URL link, make sure that you enter the correct link format in order to show the page of this specific store. Or alternatively, we can do other options by clicking the store link in order to generate the specific link for your stores, in which from here, store links that you build will link to your store of any creator that you choose. And from here, the only thing that you need to do is to enter the store name. And for example, we're going to use the store name Zazzle Home. So just copy this name and enter in here. And make sure that when you paste the store name, there's no space on it. And for the tracking code, I'm going to enter sample 1 and proceed by clicking Build Link button. And now our store link is now successfully generated. But we're not going to copy all of it, since in order for it to work, we just need to copy from this part until to your Associate ID. And now let's try to paste it on the other tab. And let's see if it is going to work. And upon hitting enter, it will direct us to this web page, in which the store name that we enter and the products that they offer. And in order to promote Zazzle affiliate products on Pinterest, just open your Pinterest account and make sure that you log in your existing Pinterest account. And from here, on the top panel, under the Create, by clicking on it, it will show you the two options and proceed by clicking Create Pin. And you will be directed in here. And below here, all you need to do is to paste or add a destination link, which is the link that we just copied. And after that, just paste it under Save from Site by clicking this button. And paste the link in here. And proceed by clicking this arrow in here. And upon clicking on it, it will show us the ideas from website. So you can select any of this and proceed by clicking Add One Pin. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to add a title and a description to tell everyone about your pin. And before saving or publishing, just select the category or board that you want to enter this pin. Or you can create board by customizing the name of it and proceed by clicking Create button. And after that, proceed by clicking the Save or Publish button. And now that you add a pin in Pinterest, if one of your followers click the link and make a sale in Zazzle.com, you will be able to get your commission. But now let's try to add or promote the products on Zazzle. So just go on Zazzle.com and choose the product that you want to promote in Pinterest. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. So kindly click on it, and from here, it will show us the details of this product, including the picture with its corresponding prices. And of course, the description about this product. But if you feel like you want to promote other products, just go back in this shop of Zazzle.com, and under this page, just choose the product or items that you want to promote. And I'm choosing this product because I believe that this product has a potential to get viewed by my followers and earn commissions after they made a sale using my promotional link in Pinterest. And below this product, it will show you the details, including the product descriptions, the picture, its corresponding prices, and the review or feedback by the customers. Now to get the link of this product, just click the share icon on the top right corner and proceed by clicking Copy Link. And after copying the link, the next thing that you need to do is to go to Pinterest, and from here, the same process, which is to click Create Pin under the Create option. And from here, all you need to do is to paste the link by clicking Save from Site and paste the link that we just copied. And as you can see here, the link that we just copied contained our associate number. And now proceed by clicking the arrow and just select the ideas from the website. And you can also select a multiple ideas. So I'm gonna select these two and proceed by clicking Add Two Pins. And after that, the same process, which is to add your title, your description about this pin, before publishing or clicking the Save button. And after your pin has been published, every time your followers has clicked the link contained on your pin, they will be directed on Zazzle.com, and if they made a sale from your promotional link, you will get your 15% commission. So that is just how to promote Zazzle affiliate products on Pinterest. Thank you.